Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to get your wallet address in Coin98. To find your wallet address in Coin98, first of all, launch open your Coin98 extension on your web browser. You can also open up Coin98 wallet on your mobile device. Once you're inside your wallet, navigate to the Receive button, which looks like this at the top of the screen. Now inside your Receive tab, go ahead and choose the wallet if you have multiple wallets. If you have a single wallet, then go ahead and select a cryptocurrency for which you want to view the wallet address for. Click on the little arrow button right next to the token, and then you will be able to see your QR code and your wallet address displayed on the screen. There should be an option to copy the wallet address, which is this little two-square kind of an icon. Once you click on that, the wallet address will be copied. You can now use this wallet address to receive funds. Go ahead and share the wallet address to anyone that you want to receive the particular token from. So that is how you can easily get your wallet address in Coin98. Always make sure to double check the wallet address before sharing it, as sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.